Frick Park Market where we kicking out the garbage. Sick bars, I've been a boss, so stick around and watch it. Did a fit around, no college campus, chillin' right on top of planet Earth. Fuck who's first, it's just bout who the hardest on my Germans on the beat, he got that heat. Hold up, drop it quick and bring it back. I could change the world with just a single track. Underage table in the back, smoking, drinking, yeah.
There's a party on Fifth Ave. Hit me if you tryna go. I can be there in like 20, I'ma honk and then come running, cause we gotta hit the road.
Just don't love me like you used to. Think I'm about to lose you. I'ma end this now before things just confuse you. Kept breaking promises you said you keep, so you can leave a message at the beep, 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 beep. Got some soul like daylight do. They say I'm new, it's nothing but some deja vu. Everywhere you go, these people hate on you. It's deja vu, deja vu. A little soul like daylight do. They say I'm new, nothing but some deja vu. Everywhere I go, these people hate on you. Deja vu, deja vu. Everybody wanna ask where I came from. Young kid who bang drums. Money, don't you worry, I'ma make some. Somebody changing the world, it only takes one. Never scared of death, but I ain't ready for that day to come. A million people in the world, I don't hate one. Even them dummies robbing people with some fake guns. Make mistakes, young boy, that's just what I heard. And you don't ever figure out what you don't want to first. I got another verse, invincible and nothing hurts. 100 words coming up with what'll have your bubble burst. We can just fuck, you don't need to take my number first. Getting right to it, I ain't really trying to cuddle first. I used to try everything with her but nothing worked. Got her backwards like she heard the thunder first. These are the days of our lives and I ain't lying, kid. Being free, tell me what kind of crime that is. It's etiquette, let me spit a couple sentences. Always good penmanship, make sure you all remember this. You just ended in the Blue Slide Park, the place where dreams coming true, that's where you find heart. Up until the sun come up, yeah, my crew grind hard. See me out throughout the day, but you won't find me in the dark. Say I'm smart with remarks, such remarkable bars. Who knew this music would get me a couple cars that just sit and park, cause I'm out somewhere traveling. Magging on the preschool honeys, you was somewhere tattling. Mag has been known to always pass again. Every single track with him, oh, he's just so talented. Dream of counting money till my fingers get some calluses. King with many palaces, a fucking golden fork to eat my salad. I observe, asking what did he design. I see an artificial future for a digital mind. Muhammad Ali, yeah, I'm him in his prime. Just a normal kid in class who was sitting behind. Didn't really pay attention to him spitting his rhymes. But now you see his car, try getting inside. No, hell no. I wanna go back home. Keep it, hold up. Can't remember what the day's like. Late night, can't remember what the day's like. Reminiscing on stop signs and brake lights. Cause it seems that I'm always on the move. When they gonna let me back home? Yeah. I wanna go back home.